I'm excited about this toy hauler video. Hey, what's going on? Dave Erickson here at BretzRV and Marine in Missoula, Montana with another walk around. This is a 2022 Grand Design Momentum M-Class. Let's get started.
All right guys, let's start off with the 17.5-inch all steel H-rated tires. These guys are going to be rated to 75 miles per hour. Standard is usually going to be up to 65 miles per hour. All right guys, next up we have the 6-point auto electric leveling system. Easy access right here in the docking station. All right guys, next here up front we have the Onan 5500 generator. It is going to be a gas that's going to pull from your onboard fuel station. Momentum 349 is going to have 2 awnings, be able to cover you door to door, get a lot of outside usage on this thing. And then here on the outside, one of the coolest things they started doing with toy haulers is adding this outdoor patio. You're also going to have the 3-season door, so even if you do get a little weather, a little buggy, you're still going to be able to enjoy the outdoors. Here we got the 13-foot garage with the Happy Jack system. This guy's going to be really cool because you're going to be able to have a nice dinette area to kind of hang out and eat. It's also going to fold down to a queen-size bed, as well as the drop-down bed. You can comfortably sleep 4 people back here. Here in the main living area, we have a bunk above, extra sleeping. Down here, we're going to have a 4-person Lazy Boy style reclining seats with heat and massage. Tons of countertop space in this guy, as well as an 18 cubic foot refrigerator and also a 5,000 BTU fireplace. On the stairs here, you're going to have your central vac system. Above that is going to be your one control. This is going to be where you're going to be able to run your lights, your slides, basically monitor everything on this. Here in the master bedroom, we're going to have a walk-around queen bed. Tons of cabinets around it, USBs, plug-ins all over it, as well as a roof AC conditioner.
All right, Jarrett, thanks so much for that tour. This has been the 2022 Grand Design Momentum here at BretzRV and Marine in Missoula. For more information on this unit and others, check out BretzRV.com or click the link in the description below this video. Until next time, I'm Dave Erickson. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Adios. One final note, if you are in the market for a new vehicle soon, great. Connect with your local dealership and price and test drive at least 3 different vehicles. A vehicle's strengths and weaknesses can only be discovered when you are behind the wheel. My reviews can be good, but you need to test drive these yourself. Visit quotes.everymandriver.com, select the make, model, and your zip code, and you'll get invoice pricing in your area on those vehicles. Shop smarter with price quotes at quotes.everymandriver.com.
Thanks for watching. Please click subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you next time.